Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting facts. This saves time later. Reproduce the error once while you capture logs, because the stack trace and timestamps reveal sequence and state. Make sure to note recent deployments versus configuration edits and record dependency versions. Start a focused log capture and filter for warnings or exceptions. Once done, isolate the failing component so you can run targeted tests. This avoids chasing unrelated noise and clarifies the true point of failure. Now you methodically isolate the component. Run unit and integration tests to confirm exactly where behavior deviates. Use a debugger or increase log verbosity to inspect runtime values and call sequences. This shows why a condition fails, not just that it failed. If external services are involved, mock them or swap configurations to reproduce the issue in isolation. Once you identify a reproducer, you can craft a minimal fix and verify it without risking wider. Finish by applying a minimal, well-documented fix and run your CI pipeline, tests and linting catch regressions. Deploy to staging and use a canary or feature flag so you control exposure and monitor error rates, latency, and logs. Confirm the specific scenario that failed now succeeds, then promote to production gradually. If problems continue, roll back immediately, compare active configurations with known good snapshots, and revisit logs for differences. This rollback-first approach prevents cascading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.